In this part of the series, we are just going to put on the accessories that comes with the Knightrunner. They do not come attached when you buy the Knightrunner, and you do have to put them. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to the next part of this Element Knightrunner build series. In this part of the series, we are just going to put on the accessories that comes with the Knightrunner. They do not come attached when you buy the Knightrunner, and you do have to put them on yourself. So we'll go over the steps that you need to do to get these scale accessories put onto the body and finish the look. To put on the scale accessories for the body, you will need these following parts. These 3 items, the snorkel, the rooftop tent, and the bed rack, all came in the larger bag that comes with the solid axle housing. And these are the screws that are needed for those accessories, and this is what I said earlier in the unboxing video that was taped to the side of the box. So these are what you would need to finish putting together the scale accessories for the Knightrunner body. You will need a body reamer to ream holes for the parts here. Alright, the first thing we'll tackle here is the snorkel. Now you can see here on the body there are 3 indentations, 1, 2, and 3. Those are the indentations that are going to be used for the snorkel. These are the parts that you'll need for the snorkel. The snorkel itself. These 2 are the snorkel mounts from the inside, and you'll need 3 3x3 set screws. First thing you're going to want to do is to ream out the 3 holes for the snorkel. 1, 2, and 3. I'll go ahead and ream those out, and when I'm done, we'll be right back. Alright, here you can see I've reamed out the 3 holes, and we're ready to put the snorkel on. Alright, once you've got the snorkel through the body, you can put the mounting brackets on. Alright, with those brackets on, you can start putting in the little set screws. Right, there's the inner snorkel brackets all mounted up, and we are done with the snorkel. Now you'll see that the snorkel here is lacking a little detail, but Knight Customs has a snorkel grill for this piece right here, so I will get to that when I start printing out the Knight Customs parts. Alright, we're now going to move on to the bed rack. And for the bed rack, the first thing you'll need to do is to take these parts off the tree. To mount the bed rack, you'll need the following. You'll need these parts: 6 M3 lock nuts and 6 M3x8 button head screws. You will also need to remount 3 holes on each side of the bed. There's 1, 2, and 3. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 3. Once I've reamed out the holes, we'll be right back. Okay, now that I've reamed out these holes for the bed rack, we can go ahead and assemble or attach the bed rack to the bed of this body. Now it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do this on camera, but basically you're going to put this M3 lock nut on the inside of the body and attach this mount right here and screw it in from this side. Since that's kind of difficult to do on camera, we'll be right back when I finish. Before I move on, I just want to say that I masked off the bed area and I sprayed this inside of the bed area with Plastidip. Gives it a nice look. For the rest of the rooftop tent, you'll need these following parts. Now, when putting together this rack, make sure that you put this little post mount facing towards each other, so towards the middle of the rack. And that's pretty much it. That is the rooftop tent assembled, and pretty much we're ready to put this on the bed just by putting the post through these post captures right here, and just putting the body pin in. Alright, so the bed rack brackets are now on, and basically all you need and all that's left to do is to put the rooftop tent on. It says front and rear. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, front and back actually. There's back, there's front. I don't exactly know why it matters, but they have a front and back apparently. It looks the same on both sides to me, so not really quite sure what the difference is, but either way, you just put this on the body posts that come with that rack bracket, and you just go ahead and use the pins, the body pins, to put the rooftop tent on. Go ahead and do that. And there you go. That is the attached rooftop tent right there. It's a nice scale addition to this Knightrunner body. We've also got the snorkel right here. And we are done for this part of the series, where we just add the scale accessories that come with the Knightrunner, mainly the snorkel and the rooftop tent. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Knightrunner build series. Thanks for watching.